Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input, which is at the top, and enter languages at the top again. And here we've got the list of most frequently languages used by us. So we've got on English. Let's add new one, tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it to activate it, kind of. So let me choose maybe Turkey. Let's tap on the region. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to the list. However, the English in my case is still a main one. So all we have to do right now is to reorder the languages. Let's tap on the language you'd like to use, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and drag it to the first position. And here we've got English applied. If you want to remove the languages from this list, simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.